In this video, I'm going to show you another potential winning product and do some competitor research. Let's play the video. Great, so you get the idea. Let's do some competitor research, and for that we just have to click on this button and go to the Shopify tab. As we can see, there is one store which is currently selling this product, but if we will go to the others tab, we will find one more store which is currently selling this product by using these images. Okay, so there are two competitors currently for this product, but if you understand the market well, then definitely you can give this product a try. Let me know how it works out for you, and I'll see you in the next video.